Good evening. We often hear about artificial intelligence. It can seem like a distant, complex idea, but right now it is quietly entering our workplaces. It is not arriving as a robot in a suit. Instead, it comes as a smart assistant on our computers. These assistants are called AI agents. They are designed to help us with our daily tasks. They can write emails, they can analyze data, they can help design a new product. This is not a future prediction. It is happening today, on the 1st of October, 2025. Understanding these new digital colleagues is no longer optional. It is essential for everyone, from the newest intern to the chief executive. So, what exactly is an AI agent? To understand the impact of AI agents, we must first learn their language. We can divide them into two main categories: narrow AI agent, straight path; general AI agent, branching web. The first is the narrow AI agent. These are the specialists. They are experts in one particular area. A narrow agent might be designed solely for writing computer code. Another might focus on creating marketing copy. A different one could be an expert at analyzing financial spreadsheets. They are incredibly good at their single defined task. They can perform it faster and often with fewer errors than a human could. These are the agents most companies are using right now. Think of these narrow agents as a set of highly specialized power tools. You would not use a hammer to saw a piece of wood. In the same way, you would not ask a coding agent to write a poem. Companies are deploying these tools to solve specific problems. The second category is the general AI agent. This is a different beast entirely. A general agent is more like a multi-talented team member. It is one thing to talk about AI in theory, it is another to see it in practice. Companies are already seeing real, tangible benefits from using these agents. Let's look at some examples. In the world of software development, businesses are using AI coding assistants. These agents can write entire blocks of code from a simple instruction. They can also review code written by human developers, spotting errors, suggesting improvements. The result is that software is being built faster and with better quality. This means new products get to market sooner, giving companies a competitive edge. Productivity cost savings are two of the biggest advantages. Take a large consulting firm, for example. They might use an AI research agent to gather market data for a client report. This task used to take a team of junior analysts several days. Now, an AI agent can produce a detailed summary in just a few hours. This frees up the analysts to focus on interpreting the data and providing strategic advice to the client. The company saves money on labor costs. The arrival of AI agents in the office naturally brings us to a critical question. What does this mean for us, the human workers? There is no simple answer. The impact will be different for everyone. For some, it will mean a significant change in their daily tasks. Repetitive work, like data entry scheduling, basic report generation, will increasingly be handled by AI. This allows people to move into more engaging roles. Instead of just compiling data, an employee can now focus on analyzing it and using it to make strategic decisions. This can lead to greater job satisfaction. This transition requires a new mindset. The most important skill in the age of AI is the ability to learn. Workers will need to become comfortable working alongside digital assistants. This means learning how to give clear instructions to an AI agent. It means knowing how to check the AI's work and when to trust its output. It also means developing the skills that AI cannot easily replicate. So, how do we prepare for this future? How do we build organizations where people and AI agents can thrive together? The first step for any company is to be transparent. Leaders need to have an open conversation with their employees about how they plan to use AI. Explain the goals, improve efficiency, create new products. When people understand the why, they are less likely to fear the what. Create a clear policy for the responsible use of AI. Data privacy, ethical considerations, how decisions will be made. For individual workers, the message is simple: stay curious. Do not be intimidated by this new technology. Start experimenting with the AI tools that are available to you. Learn what they are good at and where they fall short. Sign up for training courses offered by your employer. Seek out opportunities to develop your uniquely human skills. Focus on becoming an expert in asking the right questions of people and of AI. Your ability to adapt and learn will be your greatest asset.